In this video, you are going to see how to insert a Word document in Microsoft Excel. Here I have a Word file. I want to insert it in Excel. So let us open a Excel workbook. From here, click on blank workbook. Then go to insert and click on object. Click on create from file. Click on browse and select the Word file from your desktop. Let us select the Word file, click on insert. If I click on the display as icon, only icon will be displayed like this. If I uncheck it, the text will be appear over here. Click on OK. And here you will see I have inserted the Word file in Excel. If I click on over here, the Word file will be open. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.